Chronicles. It's day 579, I think. And it's Sunday. Dog's pooping. And we're making some coffee. It's about 9 o'clock, I think. And I'm a little sore from yesterday from all that whatever holding up stuff had to do for scraping and painting and all that good jazz. And so I'm a little sore today. So I think today's agenda is some laundry for sure. And I don't know. Maybe it's already hot, so I don't think I'm gonna mow today. I don't know that I've got fuel anyway to do it. So maybe, I don't know. Not sure what I'll do today. So let me clean up this mess and some of this mess too, but it's not a today thing. Oh mercy. On film. See how it looks in daytime. That cat is so stupid. Like, he just followed me all around the house and then got around the back. I guess he's tired, so he's just back there just screaming like he's caught in a bear trap. I don't know what to tell him. He's an idiot. All right, well, it's 6:05, and just been watching TV pretty much all day, relaxing, and got my new vape thing in yesterday. And it looks cool, just like that. Also got a black one. And I got 2 new fluids. One's pina colada and one's pineapple grapefruit. They're both pretty good. So, haven't got my sunglasses yet that I ordered. And what else have I got coming? I got something else coming. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, so just been, like I said, trying to relax, and had a little bit of a storm today. And had some pizza for lunch. So that's all I've done today. Oh, I did laundry. So that's it. So not a very exciting day so far, but I got a lot of stuff done in the house yesterday. And that was, I'm a little surprised. I thought maybe I'd get it scraped and primed, but got it scraped, primed, and got the crossboards painted. So I feel pretty accomplished about that, especially since I got a gimpy finger. So anywho's, I need to start getting things ready for Disney as far as like what I'm gonna wear, kind of finalize that, and kind of get game plan for the next month, what I want to do. So might be doing some of that mental type stuff today. But yeah, that's it. I should have washed my car. Still may. We'll see how it goes. All right, well, it's the end of a lazy Sunday. It's starting to rain again. So we've been watching Atypical. It's kind of binge-worthy, I would say. So, oh, my fingers are in the way. I had to lock the door for the farmhouse door anyway. And, yeah, so, bike attacks out here. Not a very exciting day. Just relaxed. I feel like I did pretty good yesterday with getting that part I've been dreading done. So, and I've also got put in a phone conversation bid for my, just to see how much it would cost to get a roof on this thing. So got that next week sometime. I can't remember when, but I don't know that, I'm sure it's gonna be expensive, but just, you know, you don't know, because I think lots of things are gonna be expensive until you find out. And if I can't, then I can't, but maybe it's something to think about, because it'd be a whole lot safer. So I don't know. Anyway, what else happened? I ate some nachos for supper, and that's really it. I really didn't do anything today except laundry. So I did laundry, and you know, just kind of watched some sheetrock and mudding videos, because I know that's coming soon. So all right day, good relaxing day. So anyway, going to bed now. Bye.